Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have what you need: device with iOS 13 or newer and the correct Apple ID signed in. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. This takes you straight to account controls. Once you tap Subscriptions, you'll see active and expired items. Start here because this central list shows billing cycles, trial end dates, and which subscriptions will auto-renew, so you can act before the next charge. You should now tap the exact subscription you want to cancel and review its details: renewal date, price, and current plan. Make sure you're using the correct Apple ID. Family sharing or a different account can hide subscriptions. If you don't see the item here, open the App Store, tap your profile, then Subscriptions. Apple lists some items there instead. Once you understand the billing date, you'll know how long access continues after cancellation. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm when prompted. Apple keeps your access until the current billing period ends, so note that end date. You'll get an email confirmation. Make sure it arrives to verify the action. If the subscription isn't listed, sign into the app vendor directly or check alternate Apple ID. Sometimes purchases are tied to different accounts. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your receipt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.